Welcome my dear students. Now we will continue our lens chapter. So already we discussed what is optical center, and now we will discuss the important term of convex lens. Important term of convex lens. What is the important term? See here. This is the convex lens, and this is what is optical center, and this is principal axis. This is principal axis, this is optical center. And see here, when any ray of light, when the ray of light passes through this optical center, it never deviated. That means suppose one ray is coming this side, ray of light, it is coming like this, incident ray. That means when this incident ray passes through this optical center, it never deviated. It goes the same direction. It never bends or never deviated. So this is the first thing you have to remember. Any ray, that means in this case here, suppose this is one ray which is passes through this optical center of this ray, then it is never deviated. That means it goes straight line, it never changes its direction when the ray of light passes through its optical center. This is the first case you have to remember. Second case here, suppose this is the convex lens, and this is principal axis, and this is center of curvature, optical center. Then see here, any ray of light which is parallel to this principal axis, after reflection, it will be passes through one common point. That means this is also reflected ray. Any ray, suppose this ray also parallel to the principal axis, and after striking this lens, it is reflected through a common point. It is also reflected like this common point. And this common point is known as second focus. F2, second focus. This is known as second focus. Or it is known as principal focus. Also. So this is known as focus. This is first focus and this is second focus. See here I am drawing here another, that is we will discuss what is image formation. What is image formation? How image will form? See here that one. I am erasing this one. How image will form? See here, suppose here we have to draw this is the convex lens, and this is this is the optical center, and this is, suppose this is F1 and this is 2F2. That means this distance from optical center O, this distance and this distance should be equal. That means two distance will be equal, same distance. This side, this is F2 and this is 2F2. Here, that means all these distances are equal to each other. So first we will discuss when object is at infinity. So at that time, when image will be created. See here. That means object is at infinity. Suppose infinity here, object is at infinity. Object is here at infinite distance. So when the ray of light coming from an infinite distance, that ray of light is always parallel to this principal axis. That is already we know that one. Therefore, when the ray of light coming from an infinite distance, that ray of light, that incident ray of light will be parallel to this principal axis. So after striking this lens, this ray of light will be converged, because we know that always what is, when the ray of light is parallel to the principal axis, that ray of light after reflection it will be passes through the second focus or the principal focus. Therefore, all these parallel ray it will passes reflected or passes through this principal second focus, and other parallel that is also passes through this principal focus. Therefore, in this case, the reflected ray they are actually intersect to each other. So, at the point of intersecting, at this position, the image will be created. So, in this case, what is the nature of image? See here, what is the nature of image? Image is at where? At F2, that means second focus. Image will be created at second focus. This is the first point. Second point, what is, because this reflected ray are actually intersecting to each other or actually meet to each other. Therefore, in this case, image will be here. That means here real image will be created. And third point is, because always all the real image are inverted. Real image are inverted. Therefore, it is the image is inverted. And what is the size of the image? Size of the image is highly diminished, or it is the size of the image is a point size. What is a point size or highly diminished. This is the first case for convex lens. For second case, when suppose this is the convex lens, this is principal axis, and this is F2, this is F2, and this is F1, this is 2F2. See here. Suppose image object is beyond 2F2. Suppose. So what will happen? Here. Suppose object is beyond F2, so 2F1. Then what will happen? See here. Here also you should write this is 2F1. So suppose this is the image here, and always we are taking the image. Suppose maybe this one, this is A and this is B. So always when we are creating image, we need minimum two rays, any two rays. Suppose first ray is which is parallel to the principal axis, and after striking this lens, it will passes through the focus. This is, and another ray. Suppose another ray which is passes through this optical center. Suppose this is the optical center. So when the ray of light passes through this optical center, it never deviated. That means it passes through in a straight line. It never deviated. So when this ray, reflected ray, are intersect to each other, at this position image will be created. So in this case, this is become B dash and this is become A dash. Clear this one? So see here, what is the nature of image here? What is the nature of image? Nature of image is, first one, image is created at where? At F2 and between. Image is created between F2 and 2F2. And what is? Because reflected ray actually meet to each other, therefore it is real image. And third point is, what is it is inverted because real, therefore it is inverted image. And fourth one is what is size of the image. If we will measure the size of the image, we will see it will be diminished from the object. That means the image is diminished image. Clear? The next cases we will discuss by next classes. Thank you.